Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in a bikini right now because I'm currently packing. I'm going to be going on a little mini spring break-y type trip with a few girls that I know. I'm not going with Maddie or Julia. I'm basically going with this girl that I used to play softball with growing up, and I'm going with her and her friends. And yeah, it's just a small little last minute thing. We rented out a beach house and we're just gonna be going and just hanging out as a group. So I'm really excited. I didn't want to necessarily film the trip in itself. Like, I don't want to actually film while I'm there because I mean, I might include some clips and stuff in the end of this video, and because this will go up definitely after I've already gone. But yeah, so if I have any like good video clips or whatever, I can definitely include those at the end of this video. But I just didn't really want to film my entire trip because I kind of wanted to go and just have a good time. I have pre-filmed almost like everything that I need, so I have all my videos ready to go. I don't have to worry about any of that, so that's really exciting. I ordered a bunch of bikinis and I ordered a bunch of like just little different clothes and stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I've ordered when I'm packing and stuff. But basically I just thought this would be a good way to kind of do something that involves this trip but not necessarily like recording the trip. I'm just gonna be packing with you guys. We're gonna be prepping for the trip. I need to do self tanner, I need to wash my hair, brush my teeth, obviously brush my teeth, but I need to whiten my teeth and just pack and just do a lot of stuff like that. And then I also want to go get like individual lashes because I'm gonna try to wear those instead of like full like lashes, so hopefully that'll work because I want to be able to go to the beach without makeup on but like still, you know, look good for the gram pictures, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, right now I'm picking out a bunch of the bikinis that I just bought. This is one of them. I have this bikini but in the blue color as well, so I actually ordered the blue one first and then I was like, that is so cute, I need both. So I got the blue one and the red one. And by the way, these are from Shein. I ordered this all myself. I didn't like get this shipped to me or anything, but this is the blue one. It literally just looks the exact same. It's just blue. I'm about to put the blue one on just so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so I just put on the blue one. This is just what this one looks like. Super cute. So I think I'm gonna bring this one and the red one. I ordered a couple more, so I'm gonna show you guys which ones I'm gonna bring, but some of them actually don't fit like the best, so I still need to kind of like try them on for real because I tried them on a little bit but some of them just didn't feel the best looking or like look the best. Next, this is this one. It just looks like this. I don't know how I feel about this one. I think it's cute, but I don't know if it flatters my body the best, if you know what I mean. All right, and then we have this one. This one's definitely one of my faves, like out of all of them, but it doesn't like fit the boobs the best. Like the pad is literally all the way. It's cute, like it's so cute. I love the material, like it's super soft material. And I feel like it actually like complements my body pretty nice, but my boobs are just a little too big. Like I have to keep like pulling this part apart just so that it'll cover like all of my side. I don't know how to explain it. But it's cute, right? And then we have this one. This one's cute, but I think this one's gonna look a lot better once I'm like actually fake tanned, because I'm fake tanning. I'm not going looking this pasty, and I feel like once I'm like a little bit tanner, I will like look better in this one. So now I'm currently trying to pick out outfits. So I got this little blue top from Shein. It's really cute, but I just don't know what bra I'd wear with it because it's like it comes up so easily. So I just put on this like little nude bra that I could just like try on everything with, but I put that on and then I put these shorts with it, like these jean shorts, but from the back I look like whatever, but I feel like these shorts just make me look not cute. So this is what it looks like from this angle, and it just like, right, like it's okay, it just doesn't look the best. So we're gonna keep going. Here's the next outfit that I put on. It's just these white Jordans and then some jeans and then this top from Princess Polly. The top's really cute, but I don't know, I just really don't feel like bodysuits are flattering on me like in absolutely any way. So I feel like this outfit is not the like cutest, so I don't know. This is just what it looks like on like eye level view, I guess. I don't know, I feel like I could definitely pair it with a different top. I just don't know which. Ooh, this top would be really cute. I'm gonna try on this one. Okay, I like this a little bit better, showing a little tummy, and then the back is wide open. I like this so much better. This is actually like a really cute outfit. I just need some pasties or something, like definitely I need something. This is the next outfit that I put together. It's just this little red top from Shein, and then these jean shorts are from Princess Polly. They just look like this, and that's kind of what the back looks like of the top and like the jeans and everything. And then I paired it with just some white Converse, like some high top Converse, because I have never worn these Converse actually. literally never worn them. I've had them for like, I think like a year or two now, and I've still never worn them. But I actually think it looks really cute. Like, I don't know if I'm tripping or not, but I think this actually is kind of cute. And then it matches with the red, so I feel like it looks good. I'm just really insecure about my thighs. Like, really, that's it. I feel like a lot of outfits just I end up hating because of the way my thighs look like, you know, but I actually do like this, and I feel like it looks good. So I think this is another outfit. The next outfit that I put together is just this little brown top from Shein. It just looks like this. It's super cute, but I don't know how to make it stay like actually on my boobs, so I don't know. Like, as you can see, I don't know if I'm actually gonna wear this top. These little jean shorts are from Fashion Nova. Then I just paired it with some black sandals I literally got from Five and Below. I just went ahead and found this little pink Princess Polly top that they sent me, and I really like this. I think it looks super good, and I think it fits the like summer beachy vibes. So I just put this top on, and then I have these American Eagle jeans, and then I honestly don't know if I should wear the white Jordans or if I should just wear some black sandals. I don't know. Okay, so right now I'm currently in the process of packing my bag. This is gonna be one of my like pajama fits, I guess. It's just this top that I think I got from Tilly's, not 100% sure, and then these sweatpants are from Shein, and then Crocs. I'm packing my bags. This is the bag I'm bringing. It's just the one that I got at my cheer banquet for, you know, like the seniors and stuff. We always get a gift, so that's just what I'm bringing. And then I have my outfits. So this is my jean fit with this top, and then this is the jean shorts with the red top. I'm trying to put this all in here to where like it'll fit like really well. And then this is the jeans with the pink top, and then I'm gonna bring these shorts just because I feel like they would be good for like a swimsuit cover up, so I'm gonna pack these too. And then of course you have to bring underwear, so I just have a couple pairs right here that I'm just gonna like stuff in here somewhere. And then now for all my bikinis, I'm gonna put them back in their Shein like little thing because I feel like they'll just fit a lot better that way, I guess. These are the last two swimsuits that I have, and they don't fit, but I'm gonna bring them just in case. I literally am bringing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bikinis, and I'm only gonna be there 3 days basically, because on the 4th day we're coming home like early in the morning. So yeah, there's no point in bringing that many swimsuits, but you know. And then I have a few other tops. So I have this little top that I'm gonna bring, and then I'm also gonna bring this little black one that I'm probably gonna pair with some sweatpants. It has a little deodorant on it, but it's fine. And then I also got this shirt. These are all from Shein, by the way. And then I'm not gonna pack my like nighttime wear just yet because I honestly don't know. And then also my mom's washing some of my stuff right now, so I'm gonna wait until she gets done washing that, so then that way I have like options. It's now like 6 o'clock. I just got done packing and cleaning my room. It's just kind of what it's looking like. So there's my bag, and then those are some like pajama stuff. And then I just picked up my room a little bit. This is just what I'm wearing right now. The shirt is from Shein, and then the shorts are just Under Armour. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit. Probably edit what I have of this video so that way I can get it posted and stuff before I leave. I also have one more homework assignment that I need to do. I really need to do, but I kind of want to get all the other stuff that I need tomorrow. I mean, I really could go right now, but I just don't feel like it. Oh my god, I need to take my Poshmark. Do you have some Poshmark that I need to ship out before I leave? Because if I wait any longer, like they're gonna cancel it by the time I get back. So I actually think that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then probably just be done after that, and then I'll shower and stuff tonight. It's now almost 10 o'clock and I'm finally finishing the rest of this video. I got a PO package. I just went to the post office. Anyways, I edited all of this video so far that I have filmed, so yay. And earlier when I was talking, I was like, so I can post it before I leave. I'm not posting it because if not like necessarily post it, but like just upload it to YouTube, because if I do that, then I'm not gonna be able to add clips of like the trip or whatever. So I'm gonna just wait. The package doesn't have a name on it, so a Karsten seed. Okay, this is mahogany teak wood, which is literally one of my favorite smells. And then it says Bunny Mom on it. I'm gonna open it just to smell it, even though I already know what like mahogany teak wood smells like. At first I was like, what? That does not smell like that. But and this has, I believe, some stickers in it. I really need to get a new laptop case. I'm just trying to save right now, so I haven't done that. But it comes with this little band-aid sticker, this little I'll meet you in New York sticker that has eyes on it, cool beans, this is so cute, chill since 1993, and then there's 2 letters, so I'm gonna go ahead and read these. Thank you so much, Emily. This is her mom's business and it's on Facebook. Love you more, cuddles and gifts. I'm gonna start a nail business if you're interested. Nails by Emily on Insta, just Nails by Emily, EMILY on Insta. Thank you so much. She also sent me a necklace necklace, so I'm gonna just open this really quick. I've honestly been needing a silver necklace because a lot of my necklaces are gold. Like, I don't have any like perfectly just sit like right here necklaces that are silver, so this is definitely probably gonna get worn a lot. Thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it. And you guys know that my PO box is always in the description box down below, so if you ever want to send me something, you don't actually have to send me a gift. If you just want to write me a letter, that's completely fine as well. The PO box is strictly for you guys, so the only reason why I have it is so y'all can send me stuff. So whenever nobody wants to send me stuff anymore, then I'm going to get rid of it. So as long as y'all are using it and stuff like that, then I will continue to pay for it and I will continue to have it. I love shouting you guys out. I love putting your small businesses and stuff, or just like your little letters and everything like that. I feel like it's just a really good way to like contact each other and have something more like in person, you know, personal. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for sending that. And now I'm going to get into prepping for the beach. So right now I'm just texting my friend. Basically I'm going with her and her friends. So tomorrow night, which is Wednesday, I'm going to drive out to Fort Worth. That's where they're from. So I'm gonna drive out to Fort Worth, and then we're leaving Thursday morning. It's almost a 7-hour drive from my house, but I don't know how far it is from her house, so it could be longer, it could be shorter, I don't know. But yeah, we were just texting about when I'm gonna come out there and everything, which I'm coming out there tomorrow night, but just like what time and all that. So I'm going to now go ahead and get my shower ready, and I'm gonna show you guys like my fake tanning process and all of that. This is what I use to exfoliate now. So it is the Thumb Eraser Body Scrub by First Aid Beauty. It's so good, like so good. I've never tried anything like better. So I use this and I'm gonna exfoliate my whole entire body, shave everything that needs to be shaved. I'm also gonna wash my hair, wash my face, because I kind of want to like wash it and everything before I go out there. So I'm gonna do that. I honestly should do an updated like shower routine because a lot of stuff has changed. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And then this is all my self tanner stuff. So as soon as we get out, we're going to self tan. I'm using the Loving Tan one, but I did not buy this stuff. This was sent to me. It's really expensive. It's like $60, but a good like dupe or alternative is the Jergens one. I used that one before I started using this one, and I like it just as much. It like works just as well. I just got out of the shower. It's almost 10:20 now, so I'm about to start tanning. This is me. Look how pale I am. Literally almost the same color as the wall. I just got done putting it on. It's like 10:30 now. You can literally already tell a difference. Like, I already look darker, but this is just kind of what my arm's looking like. I'm gonna let it develop and stuff a little bit. Like, I'm gonna stand here for about like 5 minutes, let it dry a little bit, and then I'm just gonna put on the clothes that I was already wearing. Actually, I think I might just put on the shirt and that's it, or I might sleep naked. Who knows? We'll see. But I am gonna just stand here and let it dry a little bit, because sometimes when I just wait a minute, it's not enough. So I'm gonna wait 5 minutes, and then I'll put some clothes on, and then put my hair stuff in my hair, and then I'm probably gonna whiten my teeth a little bit maybe. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do that because I really don't feel like doing it, but we'll see. It's now the next morning. I definitely look tanner, okay? Let me show you guys my legs. Sorry, I'm trying to like keep my shirt on because I don't have any bottoms on or underwear. So this is just what they look like. Last night I had to like put more right here because it was getting like a splotch, and now there's not one, because a lot of the times I'll like forget and just like rest my arms down, and then it creates like a line right here. So I had to like put more right here, and then I had to like stay like this so that it could dry. But yeah, I look really good. I still haven't washed it off yet because I'm waiting for my nephew to fall asleep. I literally just put him down to go to sleep, so he should go to sleep like really soon. 7:56 in the morning. It's almost 8 o'clock. But yeah, I'm just waiting for him to go to sleep, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower really quick while he's taking a nap. His morning nap usually lasts around 30 minutes to an hour, so I'm only gonna literally go in and simply just wash my body off. Besides that, I'm not gonna be in there, so it's gonna take me maybe 5 minutes max, so he should be good. I just got out the shower, so this is just kind of what I'm looking like. I literally just put on the same shirt and stuff because it's not dirty or anything. It looks super flawless. There's no like streaks or anything, which I'm really happy about. I was so nervous because last night my back was looking all sorts of wonky when I was rubbing it in, so I just kept layering and layering because I was like, oh my god, please like blend out or something. But that usually always happens when I use this tanner. Like, it'll go on and some areas will look splotchy, but as soon as I like wash it off, it's like flawless. So that's the reason why I like it, because even if I think it's gonna be splotchy, it usually never comes out splotchy. It usually always just comes out like super seamless and flawless and stuff. But now I'm pretty much free for like a while, so I'm gonna try to get my last homework assignment done. I just have one for psychology. It's just like a little reading assignment. I need to do that, and then I still need to pack my toiletries. I need to run to the beauty supply store, or it's like Walgreens or whatever. I want to get like individual lashes so I can put those on. But yeah, this is what the tan's looking like. I'm gonna tan when I get there, obviously, because of the sun, but I just wanted to go with a little bit of something, and I used the medium color, if you guys are wondering. I was debating using the dark one, but I was like, I don't want to be too drastic of a change, so I just did the medium color, and I think it looks pretty dark as well, so I think it looks really good. It's now 11:13 in the morning and I'm just now sitting down because I'm going to do my makeup. He hasn't been asleep pretty much like all morning. He slept for like maybe 30 minutes, but that was it. And usually he sleeps for like a good hour or so, but I haven't been able to go to sleep yet since he has been awake. And when he did take a little nap, I just wasn't tired. So now we're just gonna do my makeup because I want to see how I'm gonna do my makeup for when we go to the beach. I went to Walgreens and I bought the Maybelline BB cream fresh because you guys recommended that I try a BB cream instead of foundation because like I said, I don't like foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and go wet my beauty blender and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see how this goes. First, I'm gonna put on some moisturizer. I'm gonna bring the Murad Environmental Shield. It's just like one that has sunscreen in it, so that's what I'm gonna bring. I got the Maybelline BB Fresh Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I decided to get this one instead of the acne one because I was like, I'm gonna be out in the sun. I'm gonna need to protect my skin. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, just kind of pat this in. I'm probably honestly just gonna wear this and not really any like powder. Like I think I might just do just cream products. Like I'm gonna bring my powders and stuff for whenever we go out to eat and stuff, but whenever we're just going on the beach, I think I'm just gonna do super light BB cream, that type of thing. For concealer, I'm just gonna use this ColourPop one because my other one is like really thick. I probably honestly won't wear this concealer when I go to the beach. I'll probably just do the BB cream, but I'm gonna put it on here just in case. Then I'm gonna bring this contour stick, this e.l.f. one. There's just a little bit on there, and I'm just going to apply some right here. I wish I had a cream blush because if I could just do like fully cream products, that would be great. Then for powder, this is just what I use. It's the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Fair Clair. And then for my powder bronzers, I'm going to be bringing the little mini Tarte Avenue Princess and then the little mini Hoola bronzer. I'm just going to use the Park Avenue today and I'm just going to get in there and put that on. I wish I had like a blush that had a highlighter in it as well. This Fit Me blush is really nice and it also has a hint of shimmer in it, so it'll be good for like a little bit of highlight because I kind of want to bring a highlighter, but I don't have a smaller one. Then I got the eyebrow gel because I was running out of gel and I don't have another eyebrow gel, so I went and got the e.l.f. one. And then for mascara, I'm gonna bring this Beach waterproof mascara, and then I'm gonna bring this Burt's Bees chapstick that a subscriber gave me. Anyways, I made a little card of things that I need to bring. So some things like for electronics, I'm bringing a speaker and the charger for the speaker, my camera, my charger, my SD card. I need to bring my phone charger, my Apple Watch, and my Apple Watch charger. And some toiletries are like body wash, shaver, shampoo, conditioner, face wash, skincare, lotion, deodorant, perfume, and then anything else I decided I need. I need to pack my makeup, which I just did. I need to get the eyelashes, which I still need to go do. I'm just bringing my straightener for my hair. I probably honestly won't use it that much because if my hair just looks like this, I'm fine with it. I don't know. I don't really want to put on heat because I know my hair is going to get up anyways, so I'm going to bring my straightener just in case, heat protectant, oil for my hair, so I'm gonna bring my spray oil, and then I'm gonna bring my leave-in conditioner. Well, I don't know, should I bring my leave-in conditioner? I feel like I should because I'm gonna be out on the beach, but I also don't want to waste this. I think I might just stick to the oil for the trip. And then I also need my heat protectant, and then I'm bringing dry shampoo. I just have this little mini Dove one, so I'm gonna bring that. And then like I said, I'm bringing my straightener because if I want to curl my hair, I can curl my hair with a straightener, and then I can straighten it obviously, so it's more versatile than bringing a curler. And then I'm gonna bring my Burt's Bees makeup wipes. I just got a new pack, so I'm gonna bring both of these. I'm gonna finish up this one and then bring this one. And then instead of doing like face wash, like I'm gonna wash my face, but instead of doing my, usually when I get in the shower, I like set my face in the Noxema cream. I like literally let it sit on my face. I'm gonna bring these face wipes instead. And then just in case something happens to my contacts, I'm going to bring a pair of contacts, like extra ones, because I know whenever I go swimming or anything like that, I always like, something always happens. So I'm going to do that. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna pack for right now. I still need to pack like my razor, my deodorant, my lotions, my perfumes, and then I just need to put everything in the bag. So whenever I decide to do all of that, I'll start filming again, but he is getting a little cranky here, so we're gonna go tend to my nephew, and then whenever I have a free chance, I'll come back.